It's March 12th, all day, and these historical events occurred on March 12th, this date in history. In 1664, New Jersey becomes an English colony. Hey, look at the swag they got together. Look at the drip. In 1773, Jean-Baptiste Pointe de Sable founds a settlement known as Chicago. That doesn't look like Chicago. Here, clam it up. There you go. In 1894, Coca-Cola is sold in bottles for the first time in a candy store in Vicksburg, Mississippi. That bottle there, the first one, bleh. No good. I'm not drinking from that. In 1912, the Girl Scouts begin... I know. Oh, I know. Come on. Down. Tuck her down. Good boy. Just sit there, okay? Gotta do this right. Gotta get this done. In 1912, the Girl Scouts begin in the U.S. as the Girl Guides, formed by Juliette Gordon Low in Savannah. I think that's her right there. First of all, these Girl Scouts look like they're 30 years old. And is this the woman that started them right there? Enhance. Huh. Is it me or does she kind of, No? Yeah? I'm skeptical. In 1933, FDR, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, conducts his first fireside chat as the U.S. president via radio, speaking directly to 60 million listening Americans 8 days after his inauguration. Don't try to ruin the moment, but there's no fire in that fireplace. There you go. That's better. All right. In 1959, the U.S. House joins the Senate in approving Hawaii's statehood. I've never been there, so that's how it is to me. Whoa! Jack Lord. In 1970, the U.S. lowers voting age from 21 to 18. And in 2007, the 22nd Rock and Roll Hall of Fame inductees include Van Halen. In 2008, streaming service Hulu launches for public access in the United States. And in 2011, a reactor at the Fukushima nuclear power plant melts and explodes and releases radioactivity into the atmosphere a day after Japan's earthquake. Well, that can't be so bad, right? Oh, well, okay, everybody's leaving. Gotta go. When it comes to a battle of wits, you'll have the victory when you subscribe to my channel for this date in history. Like, share, subscribe, plus check out the comments below for even more March 12th history. Never seen a producer that wants to be fed in dog treats before. Okay, ready to do this? You ready to do this? It's March 12th, all day, and these historical events occurred on March 12th, this date in history.